Hello, how are you? I hope you are feeling good today. My name is Joni, and you are watching English Talk RJ.
We are going to talk about how to speak English confidently. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will speak slowly and you can repeat after me. Let's have fun learning together. Speaking English confidently is all about practice, patience, and using simple words. Let's start with something easy. Imagine your morning. I wake up, stretch my arms, and say, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day." Try to say it with me. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I go to the kitchen and drink some water. I say, I drink water. Water is healthy. Speaking about simple things in your daily life builds confidence. Next, I check my phone. I read messages and reply. I say, I am sending a message. I hope my friend is fine. You can practice simple sentences like this. Speak slowly, don't rush, and repeat after me. After breakfast, I get ready for my day. I choose my clothes. I say, I wear a blue shirt and black pants. I like my clothes. Talking about yourself is a great way to practice English. Later, I meet my friend Ali. We say, hello. Hello, how are you? He says, I am fine. And you? I reply, I am good. Thank you. Try saying it now with me. Throughout the day, I do small things. Walking in the park, cooking, reading, writing, or watching videos. Every activity is a chance to speak English. For example, while cooking, I cut the vegetables, I boil rice, I cook chicken. Cooking is fun. Repeat slowly and clearly. To speak confidently, remember, slow speech, simple words, and repetition. You don't need long or difficult sentences. Start with, I like tea. I am happy. I am learning English. Imagine a story about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I drank water. I ate breakfast. I went for a walk. I met my friend. We talked. I returned home. I read a book. I cooked food. I watched English videos. I practiced speaking. I felt happy. Repeat this story slowly. You can change the story and speak about your life. Storytelling is a powerful way to build confidence. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are normal and part of learning. Speak every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Your confidence will grow day by day. Another tip: talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions, feelings, and thoughts. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I feel fresh. I am happy today. Listening also helps. Listen to simple English songs, videos, or conversations. Try to repeat what you hear. Speaking along with listening builds confidence and improves pronunciation. You did a great job today. Keep practicing every day. Speak about your day. Tell small stories. Repeat sentences. And don't worry about mistakes. Slowly, you will speak English confidently. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, English Talk RJ, and share it with your friends who want to learn English. See you in the next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day.